Welcome to our Grooming Kit Showdown. Today, we're diving deep into two of the most popular all-in-one grooming kits on the market. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7440 and the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000. Both kits promise versatility and precision, but which one truly stands out? Let's find out. When it comes to attachments, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 takes the lead with a whopping 19 pieces, providing a wide range of options for all your grooming needs. In contrast, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7440 offers 12 attachments, which, while versatile, may not match the extensive capabilities of its competitor. This difference can significantly impact your grooming experience, especially if you prefer a variety of tools for different tasks. Precision is key in grooming, and here the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7440 shines, with its precision wheel offering 40 length settings in 0.02 increments. This allows for incredibly fine adjustments, making it ideal for detailed grooming. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 provides precision trimming with 0.2mm steps, which, while still effective, may not offer the same level of customization as Braun's offering. If precision is your priority, Braun may have the edge. Both grooming kits incorporate advanced technology to enhance performance. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit features AutoSense technology, which adapts power based on hair density for a more efficient trim. Meanwhile, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 utilizes Beard Sense technology, allowing for adaptive power that adjusts to different hair types. While both technologies aim to improve the grooming experience, Braun's AutoSense may provide a slight advantage in terms of adaptability. In conclusion, both the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7440 and the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 offer unique features that cater to different grooming needs. If you value precision and a wide range of settings, Braun might be your best bet. However, if you prefer a more extensive set of attachments at a lower price, the Philips Norelco could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like